it's me, Coco Wild. Are you ready to go on an adventure with me today? Come on, let's go. Let's go, Coco Wild. Come on.
Hey, there's Coco with the fishing pole. Coco's ready, it's your favorite show. Let's go, Coco, wild and free. In the backyard, just you and me. Fishing, swimming, feeding birds. Adventure awaits, let's kick up some dirt.
Oh my gosh, guys. It is so hot on the farm today. Do you need fanned off, Pepper? I think she might need more than panned off. We're gonna get her cooled off in the hose, and the other horses too. And I'm gonna teach you just a little bit about keeping our animals cool in this heat. So on these really hot days, the horses like to be under the shade. And we are so lucky we have this beautiful shade tree. And also, they like to be in the barn too, because the barn is nice and cool and well ventilated. Come on, I'll show you the barn. See, Nina's in the barn. She's nice and cool, and Wing's also in the barn. They're just doing what they can to stay cool on this hot day. In this barn, they actually have a breeze. It's really important for horses to have a barn and shade on these hot days. And I'm gonna go ahead and get Pepper cooled off, and then we'll get Wing and Nina. Come on, let's go. Oh my gosh, it is so hot, guys. I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see, but I am. Did you know when horses sweat, they lose minerals? So it's important that they are able to restore the minerals from their skin. This brown one is called a mineral block, and this white one is a salt block. It's just pure salt. And the horses lick those up, and this salt actually helps them retain water a little bit so they can stay hydrated. And we're gonna give them some nice, fresh, cold water too on this hot day. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and give Pepper a bath. You ready? So I'm gonna start by spraying their chests, and this will cool their body temperature down. Did you know the horse's heart is right in this chest area? Oh, they love this. This feels so good. And now that Pepper is getting used to this cold water on her skin, I'm gonna gradually get to the other parts of her body. Good girl, Pepper. Oh yeah, this is really gonna cool them down. She loves it. All right, and Pepper is definitely cooled down now from that cool hose water. Let's do another horse. And the next horse I'm gonna do is Nina. And she's my little water buffalo. She doesn't even need a halter for this, but she loves being sprayed with the hose. She plays in it and she acts real silly. So I can't wait to show you guys. All right, and I'm getting her big chest, getting her nice and cooled off. She loves it so much. She keeps asking for more. Ooh, you want it straight from the hose, girlfriend? Oh, she loved it. Nice and cold. Nina's so silly. She's such a character. Oh, you guys, she's drinking it like a bottle. You guys, she really likes playing in the water too. I'm gonna set the hose on the ground and you guys can watch her kind of paw on it with her hoof. It's so cute. Okay, I have our next girl, Wing, and she's ready for a hose down to get cooled off. She's actually sweating, and you can see how her fur is wet. That's her body just naturally cooling itself off. It's really good when animals sweat because their bodies are doing the right thing to keep them cool. But did you know not all animals sweat? Dogs don't sweat. They actually pant. I wonder if that would work for me. No, I'm still hot. But I am sweating, so I guess my body's doing the right thing too. Come on, let's go get Wing cooled off with the hose. All right, Nina, she really wants to keep getting a bath, but it's Wing's turn, so she needs to share the hose. All right, girl, this is gonna feel good. Look at Nina Bina, she's so cute. She's so cute. Oh, they love it. They love it so much. You know, the other really good thing about giving a horse a bath in the summertime is that you're able to wash the sweat off their skin. And sometimes they can get something that's called sweat itch. It's like a fungal thing that they get on their skin. But this really helps rinse their skin and keep it nice and clean on these hot days. Oh my gosh, guys. That was fun. That really cooled off the horses. Look at how good they feel. Oh, she's about ready to fall asleep. That's a good way to keep cool on a hot summer day. All right, I'll take this off, girl. All right. Bye, Wing.
Bye, have a great
Come on,
time.
let's go get Raul cooled off. Go ahead. It's yours. Go ahead. Good boy. Go crazy. Go crazy, Raul. Good boy. Oh, he loves that cold water. Oh yeah, that's really cooling him off. He loves it. Oh. Oh yeah, you guys, he might just go ahead and sleep in this water. Oh, he's having a nice drink of some fresh water too. Oh, does that feel good, Raul? It does. Oh, good boy. Raul, do you love it? Good boy. Oh, he got me wet, Raul.
Huh?
Oh, you can go ahead and go to sleep in here if you want. All right, and now that we got the horses and Raul cooled off, let's go see what else we can do to stay cool. Come on. You know, on these hot summer days, sometimes we get to play and then we forget to eat. Well, a good thing to do is to have a picnic. I have my picnic basket and I found a nice shady tree and we're gonna eat some lunch. Okay, I got a nice little crunchy snack. I got some nice, cold, refreshing watermelon. Look at how juicy that is. I think I'll take a bite. It's cold too. You guys should definitely have watermelon on a summer day. It's so refreshing. All right, and I got some hot dog buns and a hot dog. I got my water. Can't forget that. Okay, I got my plate. I'm gonna put my popcorn on the plate. That looks delicious. All right. Oh, that is good. Okay, now I'm gonna put a couple pieces of watermelon. And I'm gonna have to leave some room for my hot dog. Have you ever had a picnic before? They're so much fun. And you get to be outside with nature. The birds are singing all around me. Time to build a hot dog. Let me show you how I like to dress my dog up. My favorite condiment is ketchup. I'm gonna put ketchup on my hot dog today. Do you like ketchup? Oh man. Oh no, I think the nozzle's clogged. Let me give it a hard squeeze. Oh man, it's not coming out. I think the nozzle's clogged. Has the nozzle ever been clogged on you? Oh man. Well, I'm gonna give it a big squeeze. Let's see if I can get this ketchup out. Oh no! That's a huge accident. Oh no! We're gonna have to clean that up. Sometimes accidents happen, but I think we'll have fun cleaning the car. We need to clean it before the sun bakes all that ketchup in. Come on, let's go clean up the car. I'll use my hose and I'll get it nice and rinsed off. All right, first things first, we gotta get the car wet. It's always important when you're washing the car to get the car wet first, and then we'll put the soap on there. Oh yeah, this is really working. Okay, and the car's nice and wet. It looks like there's still some ketchup on the car. Good thing I got soap and water in a bucket, and we're gonna do some scrubbing. All right, let's scrub. Oh, it's working. Oh, thank goodness. Oh man, and this is keeping me cool. You know, washing a car is a really great way to stay cool in the summer. And you have a pretty clean car. This is working. I almost have all the ketchup off. I think I need a little more soap. Oh no, I got soap on my face. You ever put soap on your face to make it look like a beard? Oh, oh, oh. I bet you do that in the bathtub. Do I look crazy right now? You know what? I'm cool though. It doesn't feel so hot anymore. All right, what do you guys think? I think I got all the ketchup off. It's nice and soaked up, so now we have to just do one final rinse. All right, this is the last rinse, and this is gonna get the soap off. This is looking great. I think we're done. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. That was really fun, and I'm not sweating so much anymore. You know, washing the car made me think. I really want to go to another car wash and check that out. You know, the kind with the colorful soaps and suds. And I'm so hungry. I think I'll have my hot dog on the way. Okay guys, we made it to the car wash. I heard this one's the best in town. Let's go check it out. I packed a special little snack. Let me get it out here. All right. Perfect to-go snack. All right, let's go check it out. Ah, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Have you guys ever done a car wash like this before? Did you see that colored soap? Whoa, this is so cool. Wow, here comes the fans. I heard that sometimes these things blow upward to 100 miles per hour. I'm glad we're in here, otherwise we'd get blown away. Whoa, that was really fun. Did you know car washes are more eco-friendly than washing your car at home? Yeah, at car washes like this, they actually reuse the water that they use. It's up to 85% of it. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, I really had so much fun with you guys today, and I hope I showed you some ways to stay cool. I hope you guys have a really nice summer, and don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos, and if you don't know how to spell, ask an adult. Cocowild. Coco Wild. Bye.
Coco Wild.
Bye guys.
Coco Wild. Here she comes. Coco Wild. She's really Coco Wild. Coco Wild. She's Coco Wild. Coco Wild. In all the best ways. We love Coco Wild. She's really Coco Wild. Coco Wild. She's Coco Wild. Coco Wild. In all her cute ways. She's Coco Wild.